Tell me, oh my god, tell me, where did I go wrong? My Instagram is same name as my YouTube channel. Jerry, you can request me. My IG is Naomi Hamarolin. I put there in my profile. You can see. Welcome, Jerry. You're very kind of young woman. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Victor Quintero, you already subscribed to my channel and click the bell button. So, plenty of food. Why you ask? Because I'm fat? No. I don't have plenty of food. I all eat veggies and fish, not meat. Sometimes only. Because we are not rich, we're poor. You're very beautiful. Your inside will be even more. Oh my god. Are you sure? Why you ask? I know a lot of people are too poor, sorry. Okay, why you ask? You have plenty of food. You can give me food if you like. Also, thank you, Victor Quintero. Victor Quintero, you are Filipino too? Sounds your family is Filipino. Mm-mm-mm. I don't want to see people without food. If you have a lots of food there, you can share it with me. With my son. Oh, my son loves to eat chicken. Makmak loves to eat chicken. But sometimes only can buy chicken because don't have money to buy always chicken. Makmak eat fish. Have already like 4 people today. Oh, really? You can also donate us. I'm single mom to help. No, my parents from Mexico, but I was born in raised in United States. Okay. Why? You can donate also hear us because we don't have budget this week because my salary is on 22. That's why we always get credit on my sister's store. Hi, be God. No, I'm not crying. It's a Geraldo. Vintara. Hello, Brazil. I'm not Thailand. I'm in Philippines. I'm Filipina. I smell. It's almost 6, guys. Do you stream every day? Yes, I stream every day. Hi, Sir Russell. This is one of my viewers, guys. Sir Russell, shout out to you. Sir Russell, you can buy my super chat, super sticker. I know you can there. Yeah, I almost stream every day, but 2 days I can't go stream because I'm so tired. That's why when I wake up. Hello. This is my not all the time. At this time I go live stream. I always go live nighttime here in Philippines at 10 p.m. No, I'm not